Before we fully embrace our new student leaders, it is important to acknowledge and express our sincere gratitude to the outgoing Student Council for their dedicated service throughout the past academic year. Their hard work, commitment, and leadership have made a significant positive impact on our school. A huge round of applause for them. I would like to invite the outgoing Student Council to come and take their positions on the stage. We would like to call the outgoing head boy, Toshit Gulati, to share his gratitude.
Leadership is not about a title or a designation. It's about impact, influence, and inspiration. Good morning, honorable guests, respected Lisa ma'am, teachers, Nidita ma'am, and my dear friends. It has been an honor to serve as the head boy of Apple Global School. From calling out stand at ease and attention every morning, to making everybody sit down and stand up, sometimes just for fun. It has been a journey of joy, growth, and discipline. I will never forget the chaos of the Teachers' Day rehearsals. Messy, loud, and perfect. Our council meetings, a storm of debates, laughter, and learning. To all the 4 houses who have made the year unforgettable, I would like to express my utmost gratitude. Aqua's steady spirit, Ignis's fire, Calem's quiet strength, and Terra's grace in defeat has made this year unforgettable. I followed in the footsteps of Man and Khushi, hoping to carry their legacy with pride. I can only hope I have made them proud. To the incoming council, lead with heart, not with ego. Be someone worth listening to. So, as a head boy, for the last time, over and out.
Thank you, Toshit Bhaiya. Now let's have the outgoing head girl, Tanya Jain, to share her thoughts with us.
The legacy of leadership isn't in titles, it's in the impact we leave behind. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. As I stand before you today, my heart is full of emotions. This year has been a journey of dreams, challenges, and unforgettable memories. To our principal and teachers, thank you for your constant support and for seeing potential in me, even on days I couldn't see it in myself. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the entire student body of AGS for trusting me. Every shared smile, every tough moment, every quiet act of kindness has meant the world to me. To the incoming head girl, step into this role with courage and confidence. The road won't always be easy, but every step will shape you. Dear council members, you have been my anchor throughout the year. From late night panics to laughing till we cried, you stood by me. We didn't always agree, but we always showed up for each other and for AGS. Your 100% efforts never went unnoticed. So for the last time, Thank you from the bottom of my heart, signing off as your head girl.
Thank you, Tanya Didi. Now we would like to call our head girl, Vanshika Singh, to come forward and present her speech.
Good morning, dear parents, respected teachers, and my beloved applets. Today is a moment of immense pride and joy for me to stand here before you as the newly appointed head girl of Apple Global School. This isn't just a title, it's a responsibility and a dream that began years ago. I still remember being in grade 6 and watching my house captain march with such confidence. That moment sparked something in me, a desire to lead. I too wanted to lead my house back then. And today, I've been given the honor of leading the entire student body. Being a part of student council in the past and working with inspiring seniors has really shaped me. I truly admire our former head girl, Tanya Jain, and I hope to carry forward her legacy with the same great grace and heart. I'm deeply thankful to my parents, teachers, and friends who have always believed in me. Now, as I step into this role, I promise to lead with passion, sincerity, and joy. So let's make this year unforgettable together. Thank you.
Now we would like to call our head boy, Arav Kapoor.
Respected parents, esteemed teachers, and fellow students, I am Arif Kapoor and I am truly honored to stand before you as the head boy of Apple Global School. Since joining AGS in 2017, I have witnessed incredible growth, new opportunities, and a thriving extracurricular spirit. Even through challenges, AGS has always shown strength and unity. Having served as Vice Sports Captain and Vice House Captain, I have learned the value of teamwork and leadership. Watching Man and Toshit lead with such dedication inspired me to walk a similar path, and now I am ready to build on their legacy. I am deeply grateful to my parents and teachers for their constant support and belief in me. As head boy, I aim to strengthen our school community, encourage participation, and make sure every voice feels heard. With integrity, empathy, and enthusiasm, I am here to serve. Let's make this year unforgettable. Thank you.
Thank you, Vanshika Didi and Arav Bhaiya, for sharing your vision and commitment towards your responsibilities. We call upon the Wise Head Girl Kavya Kaushik, followed by Wise Head Boy Arav Motipara, to come on stage respectively and share their thoughts with us.
Good morning to one and all present here. It is with great humility and responsibility as I stand before you as the newly elected Vice Head Girl of Apple Global School. I remember when I stepped into the school last year as a new student, I had been in complete awe of the student council and captivated by their dedicated spirits. And now, to have the chance to serve as a part of the very same council is truly an honor. This role means more than just titles. It's about leading with integrity, creativity, and inclusivity, ensuring every voice is heard and every moment is filled with joy and a sense of purpose. Lastly, I'd like to thank my parents for their constant support and the school for always being a guiding light to me. So together, let's step into next year with confidence, unity, grace, and heart. Thank you.
Good morning, dear parents, respected teachers, and my fellow applets. I am Arav Motipara, and I am truly honored to stand before you as the newly elected Vice Head Boy of Apple Global School. I started my journey in grade 6, and by grade 7, I had the privilege of serving as class representative. I learned that leadership is about learning, understanding, and knowing each other. Now, in grade 9, stepping into this role feels like a big leap, and I am ready to serve with even more dedication and heart. A heartfelt thank you to Tanya, Toshit, Pranit and Chahat, and to Man Bhaiya and Khushi Didi. Your leadership has deeply inspired me. Lastly, I would like to thank my parents for their unwavering support. I am ready to serve with more dedication and make this year unforgettable for all of us. Thank you.
Thank you, Kavya Didi and Arav Bhaiya.